I have set the Lord always before me. Because he is at my right hand, I shall not be moved. Psalm 16:8. As I attune myself to the perfection of God, it flows through me. It dissipates all the obstructions of my everyday life, transforming all confusion into love and beauty. I realize that I must bring this perfection of reality into expression, for the mind and heart of each human being are the only channels God has through which to manifest God's infinite mind and perfect love, which must be expressed continually that life may evolve in greater and greater perfection. As I permit this reality to be expressed in me and through me, I am joyous in the assurance that I am bringing into being that much more of God perfection. I am transforming a part of life just as nature passes through the beautiful transformation called spring. I know I need only to realize the true state of being, which is love, that which I really am, to transform all that appears to be imperfect. Love is that which is real, complete harmony. Love is the great harmonizing agency. I stand firm on the rock of reality, knowing all is well, knowing that there is but one, and that one is love.